Students, I am sure that you have noted down Einstein's theory. Those are the significant incidents in Einstein's life or events in Albert Einstein's life, that his special theory of relativity in 1905, and in 1915 he published general theory of relativity. Einstein, he was a Nobel laureate. He received Nobel Prize also. That we will come later on. So students, on the basis of today's lesson, or on the basis of today's lecture, I am going to give you 5 words. You please note down 5 words. Search the meanings of these words. Note it down in your copy. When the school will reopen, I will definitely check and I will go through all the assignments you have completed or you are going to complete. So the first word is genius. 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 Word 2, cosmos. 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 Word 3, freak. F for fight, F for flower, Freak. Freak. Fourth, amateur. The pronunciation will be amateur. 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 5, stifled. S for strong, Stifled. Stifled. So these are the 5 words. Now let us come to the questions. First question, Albert Einstein belonged to which country? Albert Einstein belonged to which country? Question number 2, why Einstein's mother was worried about him in his childhood? Why Einstein's mother was worried about him in his childhood? Question 3. Einstein's parents, apostrophe S. Einstein's spelling, note down guys, Einstein. And Albert Einstein, Albert. Albert Einstein. Einstein's parents migrated to which country? And the last question, why Einstein had left his high school at the age of 15 in Munich? Why Einstein had left his high school at the age of 15 in Munich? The spelling Munich, it is a place in Germany, capital M, UNICH, Munich. And after Munich, in which university he took admission? That is Zurich. Zurich, it is in Switzerland. And in Zurich, when he was pursuing his studies in the university with physics, mathematics, that means science, then he fell in love with a young girl known as Mileva Maric, a Serbian girl. Remember it, Serbian girl. She was not German, a Serbian girl. So after a brief courtship, when Einstein got a job, good job, then he married Mileva Maric. But unfortunately, the marriage did not sustain for a long time. They had 2 children also, but after 16 years, they were separated from each other. So that means divorce took place between them. So guys, this is for the day. Till then, you answer all the questions You have heard my lecture. I'm sure that you have listened to my lecture, and if you have listened to my lecture minutely or intricately, you have paid attention, you will definitely answer the questions, very short answer tough questions. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.